Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trend. You are in my mind every time. You are the last thought in my mind when I go to sleep, and you are my first thought when I wake up. You are my whole world when wherever I look I find your love. Love is not about the days or years you have been together. Love is about how much you love each other. All I know about love is just because of you. You are my paradise, and I would get stranded on my love for a lifetime happily. I always think about you, can't stop thinking of you a single moment. I find a mirror of my soul in your beautiful eyes. Thank you for being a rainbow in my life. My love, my world, my everything, you are. Only one I want to be with you my entire life, my angel. Walk beside me throughout life so that I have everything for the journey. Maybe I am not your first love, kiss or first date, but surely I want to be your last. The most lovely feeling in the world is when I look at him and he is already staring. Every place looks beautiful when we are with you. I fall in love with you each and every day. When I wake up, I see you lying next to me. I cannot help this feeling but can only smile. All days become good because they start with you. I love you every time. I love you not for whatever you are, but I love you for what I am while being with you. I am thinking of you all the time. I am thinking of you when I wake up in the morning and when I go to sleep. All the time in between I think of us. Thank you for the way you are. Thank you for loving me. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel.